ULM is a humidification unit producing a non-wetting spray of semi-dry fog. ULM creates a stable, optimum humidity environment, even for large spaces that have been difficult to cool with a typical humidifier. Many effects can be achieved, such as preventing infectious disease, protecting respiratory mucous membranes, static electricity prevention, and more. 5 features of ULM. Powerful humidification ability. ULM produces 4.7 liters per hour of spray, about 1 1/4 gallons per hour, which enables quick humidification to an optimal humidity level for a large space up to 150 square meters, about 1,600 square feet. Energy and cost savings. ULM's electric consumption is only 73 watts. For example, in Japan, the electricity cost is only 19 Japanese yen for 12 hours of operation. That's about 16 cents US. It's a very economical humidification system. Easy operation. It's very easy to use, with a simple operation panel. Just set the required humidity and/or push the timer button. Easy water supply. ULM has 3 6-liter water tanks. That's 18 liters, a little under 5 gallons in total. Because it has 3 removable water tanks, maintaining the water supply is easy. When one of the tanks becomes empty, it is indicated on the display window. Easy installation. The unit has built-in wheels, making it easy to move. Complicated installation work is not required for ULM. You can use it immediately, needing only a supply of water and an electric outlet. Heating in winter often leads to extremely dry air or low humidity indoor environments. In places such as healthcare facilities and hospitals, nursing homes, offices and factories, hotel lobbies, and sports facilities, ULM will be useful to help increase humidity and prevent infections. We have absolute confidence that ULM can be a great help for you. If you have given up on humidification or you have tried other humidification systems with poor results, we ask you to please try ULM.